let's open this up. Hello. Before we open up the big package, I feel like this needs a backstory. I think we all know how purple people decorate their rooms. So people whose favorite color is purple. I'll be putting some examples across the screen, but I think we all have the same vibe in mind. And when I first moved into this house, my favorite color was purple. I decided to be different. I decided to stick with the white and add some purple accents, like on my curtains, the little trinkets that I have, on my library, my bed sheets, etc. But my favorite color is no longer purple. So we need to switch this up a little bit. So I ordered only one thing from Amazon, and this big package that you see here is from Flying Tiger. I feel like this needs a bit of a haul, and then we can get on to the actual redecorating makeover part of the video. So first things first, let's open up the thing that I got from Amazon. Above my bed, I have a like a neon light in the shape of a cloud, and because they didn't have it in purple, I ordered it in blue. But we've grown out of that. We're past that. So I got a new one, different shape as well. I got it in the shape of a sun. So this is it. This is a yellow neon light, so I feel like it's gonna match a lot better with the vibe that I have not explained yet, actually. Now what I'm gonna go for with my room is more of like a white with wooden accents and green accents mainly from like plants and greenery. So first step is to change up the lighting in here. So I'll be putting this up later on in the video. And now onto the main character, the massive package that I've got in front of me. You won't be able to see me. Got it. First item is this little basket. I feel like this matches a lot more. Let me show you the old one. So as you can see, we're taking away the purple and we're going with more of like a beigey. I mean, it's not wooden because obviously it's not made of wood, but you get the vibe. We're gonna be putting the items that are in here. I'm not just gonna dunk this out. I will be doing it in a decluttering type of orderly manner later. The next thing that we have in here are these really cute string lights that have leaves on them. I will be putting them around my Polaroids that I have up on my wall. Next, oh, this is massive, this is really heavy. We have this glass, it's called planner board. I got this because I already have a whiteboard in my room, but I colored the edges of it in purple and we need to get rid of it immediately. So this one, like I said, it's glass and it's got like gold-ish rims, and I can still write on it with my whiteboard pens. So that's gonna be going up on the wall. This is the last thing. Perfect. I'm very glad to see that they are well wrapped, so they could make it safely to my very cute little room that needs help. The last thing are these little glass jars that are air sealed, but I mean, I didn't really need them to be air sealed, but these are going to be going on the top shelf of my library. I already have something in mind. Can't wait. So before we get into the actual redecorating part, I wanted to show that I've already started kind of changing things up in my room, because above my desk I have these little cubes that had little purple trinkets in them, and now I've already changed this up by getting this candle, this type of little vase, some greenery, my old poetry books, and I hang up my diploma. I also hung up this little print that I got in the official Banksy shop in London. In case it wasn't clear before, this is the vibe that we've got going on right now. And we need to keep this vibe going for the rest of the room that has not yet changed. Left these for last. I say these because there's 3 of them, but I didn't show it on camera earlier. I've left these for last because I have a specific idea in mind, and I'm going to show you what I mean. So this is my library, and on top I've just got these little place cards and little party favors that I had for my 18th birthday, and a little poster, as you can see up here. And the plan is to leave the poster and replace these place cards with the 3 little jars and fill the jars with some dried flowers. So the dried flowers are in this box. This is my Xbox. I'm pretty sure we've either got one of these or we know what they are, so I don't have to explain. I'm just gonna grab what I need and put it away because there's actually some really sweet memories in here, but it's still fresh. I don't really want to cry today, so just gonna grab. There we go. Perfect. We've got red roses, yellow tulips, and white roses. I dried these myself. The idea is to pop every type in, to put one of each type in the jars. I really like the idea of the red roses in the middle and the tulips and the white roses on the sides. I might swap these around, I don't actually know yet, but I really like the fact that it's light, dark, light. That's how I'm going to display them on top of the library. Let's get to filling.